We have Spanner in the building. We have Spanner in the building and we have FavorBoy in the building. And don't get choked. And you don't hear me? Don't get choked and don't swallow nylon. Or should we remove the nylon? No, nylon is supposed to be there. Because are the titles of work that will delay you also. So are you okay? Should we go?
Yes.
Spanner, are you ready?
Yes.
FavorBoy, are you ready?
Yes.
Carry your bag for back.
Action!
What a big way. Come on. What a big way. This is
FavorBoy.
Spanner. Man, see FavorBoy you.
No, Spanner don't win. No, you. Spanner don't win.
Favor, they show favor. The same number.
No. See, now you get that one. Now you get that one. No, the Spanner get that one. Now FavorBoy get that one.
Before that time.
Spanner.
And they no chance relationship on Spanner. FavorBoy,
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, who is the winner? One Spanner, and it's not easy at all. Wow, I don't believe him, but you know, now what do you have to say?
the guy is good.
The guy is good. Favor. Yeah, your Favor. I like that. Favor, what do you have to say? What do you have to say, Favor?
Thank you very much. One love. Try, bro.
Hey! Alright! That is the last of this episode. See you soon.